An on-screen pop-up message will alert you when it's time for cleaning. Follow the prompts on screen. If you need to perform a group head clean manually, first access the settings menu by touching the cog icon on the upper right of the screen, then scroll down and select Group Head Cleaning. Before you start, you're going to want to empty the drip tray. Then to commence, insert the 1-cup basket into the portafilter. Place the gray silicone cleaning disc inside. Place the cleaning tablet into the center. Insert and lock the portafilter into the group head, then press Start to begin. Once the screen indicates the group head cleaning is finished, remove the portafilter. The tablet should have completely dissolved. If it hasn't, commence another cycle until it completely dissolves. Then, remove the portafilter and flush the group head to remove any residual of the cleaning tablet.